If your car is not starting, don't panic and don't replace your battery yet. In many cases, the real problem is just dirty or corroded battery terminals, and you can fix it in 2 minutes. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple fix that can bring your dead car back to life without spending any money on parts. I will show you and teach you just 4 steps so that you don't have to go out to solve the problem. You can solve it yourself, your work will be done, and you will save money. Let's teach you step by step. Step 1. Safety first. First, make sure the ignition is off. Open the hood and locate the battery. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first to avoid any short circuit. Step 2. Inspect the problem. Now look closely at the battery terminals. If you see white, blue, or green powder-like corrosion, that's your problem right there. This corrosion blocks power flow and causes starting issues. Step 3. Quick clean fix. You don't need expensive tools. Use a simple wire brush or even a toothbrush. Clean both the battery posts and inside the cable connectors. If available, you can use a little baking soda mixed with water to neutralize corrosion. Make sure everything is clean and shiny metal is visible. Step 4. Reconnect properly. Now reconnect the terminals. Start with the positive terminal first, then the negative. Tighten them properly so there is no movement. Test. Now try starting your car. In many cases, the engine will start immediately if poor connection was the issue. Before you replace expensive parts, always check the basics first. If this video helped you save time and money, hit like, subscribe to Engine Clinic, and I'll see you in the next fix.